Hello folks, today I'm replacing the rear brake pads on a Peugeot 307, a 2007 model. Now the caliper bolts are 13mm and the pin that they go into through the caliper needs to be locked with a 15mm spanner. Now the caliper pistons on these cars, the back caliper pistons are wind back type, so you can't just push the piston back, you have to use a wind back tool, which I'll be doing shortly. As you can see, the old pads are almost worn down to the metal backing. Here's one of the new pads to compare it to. When winding the pistons back, don't wind them all the way into the caliper because it takes too long for them to come out when driving, and you'll end up with no back brakes. You just want to wind them in enough that they clear the pads and the disc. You can either measure the thickness of the new pads and the disc and wind back the piston enough just to clear them, or you can do it by feel the way I did it here. That looks good. With all the dust blown off, I'm now putting copper grease on the backs of the pads and on the contact points between the pads and the caliper bracket. The copper grease stops brake squeal. Now obviously I'll be putting new pads on the other back wheel also, but we only have time to video one side today. Bolting the caliper back up. And that more or less winds it up for this time, folks. Thanks very much for watching.